Okay, so to continue on from the last video, I've set up these paper clips in the same pattern as the cardwell pattern for the number 6. And what the focus on this concept is that the last number will give us the total. So we can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will still get the same number. So the important concept here is showing children that no matter where you start your counting, the very last number you count is the one that will give you the total. For counting principle 4, the abstraction principle, the focus is on recognizing what can be counted and what cannot be counted. So for example, I could say, with this jug of water, can we count the water in the jug? And of course we can show that we can't count. We can say to children, we cannot count the water in the jug. We can measure the water in the jug, but we cannot count it. So we can then introduce an object or objects that we can count. For example, these these orange circles we can count. We can say 1, 2, 3, 4. We can lie them out and we can count them in a row. We can count them in different ways because we've developed our other counting principles, but it's just about understanding what can be counted and what cannot be counted. And the very last counting principle is irrelevance. So we can use these objects again, and the focus on this is that it doesn't matter which order we count objects in. The concept is that we can count them in any order and we can still get the same total. So for example, with these orange circles, we can go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We could go left to right, so we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, or right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just important to do different demonstrations to show that it doesn't matter what order you count in, as long as you count in all of them and you're giving one number to each object, you will get the correct total.